Welcome to Engineering Unlocked, your hub for real-world electrical engineering. Today's topic, the transformer that powers everything around us, from power plants to your phone charger. Transformers make it all possible. Let's explore how. Transformer is a static device which transfers electrical energy from one circuit to another with change in the level of voltage or current without change in frequency. Transformer is the highest efficiency machine, around 95% to 97%. Now we will see how power is transferred from power plant to home through transmission line and transformer. Electricity travels from a power plant to a house through a multi-step process involving high-voltage transmission lines and step-down transformers. First, the voltage is increased at the power plant for efficient long-distance transmission. Then, it travels to substations where transformers lower the voltage for local distribution. Finally, smaller power lines deliver the electricity at a low, safe voltage directly to homes. The main parts of transformer consist of core and windings, primary winding and secondary winding. The power supply connected to one side is called the primary winding, and the load connected to other side is called the secondary winding. Now we start to understand working principle of transformer. A transformer works on the principle of mutual induction, where a changing current in the primary coil creates a changing magnetic field in the iron core, which in turn induces a voltage in the secondary coil. This process relies on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction and requires an alternating current, AC. Why DC is not applied to primary winding as a power supply? Because DC supply is given to a transformer, flux produced in primary winding does not link with secondary winding cause no EMF is induced in the secondary winding. Transformer classified into two types based on the level of voltage on primary and secondary side: step-up transformer, step-down transformer. Transformer uses to higher the voltage level from lower voltage level. Step-down transformer uses for lower voltage level from higher voltage level. Transformer also have some auxiliary parts such as conservator, transformer oil, but calls relay, breather, cooling tube and tap changer, etc. We all saw the transformers at some places once in a lifetime. When you saw such engineering innovation around, remember one thing: science is about knowing and engineering is about doing. Which topic should I cover in next video? Please comment below. Thank you for watching.